Have you ever thought, man, I'd love to make it on YouTube, but I just don't want to be on camera? Well, you're in luck, because it's not just possible, it's actually a booming new way people are making serious money online. So let's dive into the system for building an anonymous YouTube brand that actually generates real income.
So here's the game plan. We're going to start with this quiet revolution that's happening on YouTube right now. Then we'll get into exactly why being anonymous is a huge advantage. After that, we'll find you a profitable idea, I'll show you the tools to automate the work, how to scale it up, and of course, how to turn all of it into cash.
All right, let's set the stage here because the world of online content is really changing. You know, that old model of having to build this big personal brand around your face and your personality, that's not the only way to win anymore. In fact, for a lot of people, it's not even the best way. A totally new, more anonymous era of content is here.
And this right here, this is the core idea, and it is an absolute game changer. Success on YouTube is shifting. It's moving toward a new formula: staying anonymous, automating the process, and designing your content for the algorithm first and foremost. It's a completely different way of thinking about creating videos.
So that leads to the big question, right? Why does this faceless model work so well? Well, it all comes down to understanding what the YouTube algorithm actually wants. And here's a little secret. It has nothing to do with who you are, and it has everything to do with the data your videos create.
Let's just ask the question straight up. Does this massive, unbelievably complex system that decides what billions of people watch, does it actually care about your face? The short answer, a massive, resounding no. Not at all.
See, here's the thing you really got to get. The algorithm is a machine. It's just code. It ranks videos based on cold, hard metrics. It doesn't care about your charisma. It cares about data that proves viewers are happy. Why? Because happy viewers stay on YouTube and watch more ads. So it tracks things like how long people watch, how many actually click your thumbnail, and if they're liking, commenting, or sharing. And guess what? None of that requires you to be on camera. You can optimize for every single one of these from behind your computer screen.
And the practical advantages here are just huge. I mean, trying to scale a personal brand is incredibly tough because there's only one of you. But with a faceless channel that's built like a system, the scalability is through the roof. The risk of creator burnout, which is a very real thing, is way lower. Your focus just shifts from trying to be a personality to building an efficient, data-driven content machine.
Okay, so you get it. Being anonymous and data-driven is the smart play. Now for the fun part, the what. What kind of channel are you actually going to create? Let's find you a profitable idea that fits this model perfectly. And I promise you, there is a niche for pretty much any interest you can think of.
Get this. Our source material lays out 27 proven and profitable channel ideas. Now, we're not going to go through every single one, but we'll break down the main categories just to get your gears turning. The sheer number of options is incredible.
First up, we've got the ambient and audiovisual category. This is all about creating a mood, an atmosphere. Think about those channels with 10 hours of rain sounds, a crackling fireplace on a loop, or those super popular lo-fi hip-hop beats to study to. These videos are often super long, which is fantastic for that watch time metric we talked about, because people just turn them on and leave them playing for hours.
Next up is narration and storytelling. Oh man, this category is huge. This is where you combine a really compelling script with stock footage, maybe some simple animations, or just cool graphics. You could create these awesome mini documentaries about history, summarize the key ideas from best-selling books, or just share fascinating facts about space. In this world, the content is king and the voiceover is the star of the show, not your face.
And our third major category, explainers and compilations. These channels are all about delivering pure, high-value information in a really structured way. This is where you see those animated videos breaking down complicated subjects, those top 10 list channels about literally anything and everything, coding tutorials that just show the screen, or even daily crypto updates using charts and graphics. The value is 100% in the information, not the presenter.
So, you've got an idea. Now, how do you actually make the content, especially if you're not a video expert? This is where the automation toolkit comes in, and you should really think of it as your simple, repeatable content assembly line.
The workflow is so streamlined, it's honestly kind of mind-blowing. This is where automation becomes your best friend. Step 1, you generate your script using an AI tool like ChatGPT. Step 2, you turn that text into a surprisingly human-like voiceover with a tool like 11 Labs. Step 3, you use a service like Pictory, which automatically creates a video from your script using stock clips. And finally, step 4, you pop into Canva to design a killer, clickable thumbnail, and just like that, you've basically built a content factory.
Once you have that content assembly line dialed in, the whole game changes. You stop thinking like a content creator who's slaving away on one video at a time, and you start thinking like a business owner who is building a scalable system.
And the secret key to scaling this whole operation is a concept called batching. Instead of making one video, you set aside a single day to create a whole week's worth, or maybe even a whole month's worth of content all at once. You write 10 scripts in one sitting, you generate 10 voiceovers, you assemble 10 videos. It maximizes your efficiency like you wouldn't believe, and keeps your channel pumping out content consistently.
Now, to really truly grow, you need to systemize everything. So you batch your content, sure, but then you create simple instruction documents, people call them SOPs, for every single task. Then, once you have those, you can start hiring freelance writers or editors on sites like Fiverr or Upwork to handle parts of the process for you. With good templates and clear instructions, you can scale your video output without scaling your own time commitment.
And now for the part I know everyone's been waiting for, turning all this work, the views, the system, the content, into actual revenue. How do you make money from a brand that's anonymous?
It's a totally fair question, right? If you don't have a personal brand to promote, where does the income even come from? Well, the answer is that it comes from multiple, often passive income streams that are just perfectly suited for this faceless model.
This chart gives you a pretty good idea of the mix. Yeah, of course, the ads that play on your videos, that's YouTube AdSense. That's a big piece of the pie. But then you also have affiliate marketing, where you get a commission for recommending products in your niche. You can also sell your own digital products like ebooks or templates. And believe it or not, even anonymous channels can get sponsorships. The goal isn't to rely on one thing, but to build a diverse, resilient business.
So look, if there's one single thing you take away from all this, let it be this. Success in this new YouTube era isn't about being a charismatic superstar on camera anymore. It's about finding a valuable niche, building a repeatable system, and leveraging the right tools to make it all happen.
Now, if this has got your wheels spinning and you want to see exactly how faceless creators are hitting $5,000 a month and even more without ever showing their face, you should join the free masterclass over at homebizsimple.com. It really is the perfect next step to discovering the fastest way to build your very own hands-off income stream from YouTube.